Hello, let's talk about my last vacation. Presente be Isabel Cristina Vallejo. On my last vacation trip to Salinas, Ecuador, it was launched with my family in January 2018 and had a great time. Now let's see some photos of this wonderful and unique experience. Here we are in the middle of the world in Ecuador, Quito. It is a wonderful and unique experience. You can see many crafts, museum, and the clock that gives the time with the sun. This forest is also in Ecuador, Quito, in the muffin, where it rises more than 10 floors, and at the end, at one end is an angel, and you could see the whole city. Around it are many crafts, and it is too cold. I was in Salina, a beautiful beach in Ecuador. Enjoy it, hate the sun and a beautiful view. Uh, Here I was in another beautiful place of Ecuador, Manta, where we stopped to have lunch and to know this beautiful place. There were many fish. This last forest was back in Cotacachi, a place full of crack and where you can find variety in original leather. Okay, thank you. Bye.